Welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. A cluttered workspace slows productivity and hides your best tools when you need them most. Best Power Tool Organizer solutions transform chaos into efficiency, saving time, protecting equipment, and creating a professional setup for every project or on the job. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. POKIPO 600 LBS Tool Organizer. The POKIPO 600 LBS Tool Organizer is a powerful storage solution designed to transform cluttered garages into highly efficient workspaces. Built with industrial-grade metal, this heavy-duty wall-mounted rack boasts an impressive 600-pound load capacity, giving users confidence to store even their heaviest power tools without worrying about bending or instability. Its reinforced construction ensures long-term durability, making it suitable for both professional contractors and dedicated DIY enthusiasts. One of the standout features of this organizer is the integrated 4-outlet power strip with a 6.5-foot cord. This thoughtful addition allows you to charge drills, batteries, and other cordless tools directly on the shelf, eliminating the need to search for nearby outlets. By combining storage and charging in one system, POKIPO maximizes functionality while saving valuable wall space. The 4-tier design includes 6 shelves, 8 drill slots, dual-side drill bit racks, and a convenient hook rack for hanging accessories like hammers and screwdrivers. Everything has its place, reducing clutter and improving workflow efficiency.
Number 2. Shomextol 600 pounds Tool Organizer. The Shomextol 600 pounds tool organizer stands out as a premium garage storage system built for serious users who demand both strength and flexibility. With an impressive 66-inch wide design, this wall-mounted organizer offers exceptional storage capacity, accommodating up to 18 power tools with additional space for smaller accessories. The 3 spacious tiers prevent overcrowding, allowing tools to be stored neatly and accessed easily during projects. Constructed from heavy-duty steel with reinforced welding, the rack supports up to 600 pounds, making it ideal for even the heaviest cordless tools and equipment. A premium protective coating enhances durability by resisting rust and bending, ensuring long-term reliability in demanding garage environments. This level of structural integrity makes it suitable for professional workshops, auto shops, and home garages alike. One of Shomextol's most attractive features is its modular design. The customizable side panels allow users to tailor the organizer to their specific needs. You can rearrange the layout to store hammers, tape measures, screwdrivers, and other accessories exactly how you prefer.
Number 3. YYR Cordless Tool Organizer. The YYR Cordless Tool Organizer is a practical and thoughtfully engineered storage solution for homeowners and hobbyists seeking efficiency and convenience. Designed with a taller and wider frame than many standard organizers, it offers enhanced storage space while maintaining a compact wall-mounted profile. The 8.6-inch middle shelf height easily accommodates chargers, while the 1.7-inch wide drill slots with 2.2-inch spacing fit most popular cordless power tools. A major highlight is the integrated surge protection power strip, rated at 125 volts, 15 amps, 1875 watts, complete with a durable 6-foot 14 AWG cord. This feature allows users to charge multiple tools directly on the rack without running extension cords across the garage. The surge protection adds an extra layer of safety, protecting valuable equipment from electrical fluctuations. Constructed from industrial-grade steel and finished with a durable black powder coating, the YYR organizer supports up to 280 pounds.
Number 4. KAFAHOM Garage Tool Organizer. The KAFAHOM Garage Tool Organizer offers a balanced combination of capacity, strength, and thoughtful design details. Featuring a modern 4-tier configuration, this wall-mounted storage system maximizes vertical space while keeping tools within easy reach. The bottom tier is specifically designed to hold up to 8 cordless drills, while the upper 3 shelves accommodate heavier equipment and smaller hand tools. Side holders for hammers, pliers, and screwdrivers add extra versatility. Crafted from thickened heavy-duty steel metal, the organizer provides strong weight-bearing performance. The inclusion of hexagonal expansion bolts enhances stability, ensuring the rack remains firmly secured to the wall. Users can confidently store multiple power tools without fear of structural failure. The design also focuses on safety with polished and rounded metal edges that help prevent accidental scratches during use. Another thoughtful feature is the upward-sloping drill slots, which prevent tools from slipping out. This small but significant detail improves both safety and convenience. Installation is straightforward thanks to the removable design and comprehensive hardware kit.
Number 5. MOOMSINE Shelf Tool Organizer. The MOOMSINE Shelf Tool Organizer is a dependable and space-efficient storage solution designed to bring order to cluttered garages and workshops. With a 4-layer configuration and 8 dedicated drill holders, this rack allows users to neatly arrange cordless tools, chargers, and accessories. The 7-inch middle shelf height provides sufficient space for larger charging stations and power tools, ensuring practical versatility. Built from heavy, compact steel metal, the organizer offers an impressive 400-pound load-bearing capacity when mounted on sturdy walls. Extensive load testing supports its strength claims, giving users confidence in storing multiple tools securely. The durable black powder-coated finish adds resistance against rust, corrosion, and scratches, enhancing longevity in demanding environments. This wall-mounted system effectively transforms unused wall space into a functional workstation. A well-organized workspace is the foundation of faster projects and better results. With the right storage system, your tools stay protected, accessible, and ready for action. Choose wisely, invest in quality, and enjoy a cleaner, safer, and more productive workshop every single day.